here are the escalators outside the former Sears and Roebuck at Ross Park Mall. Montgomery. These are Montgomery, unlike the one in Nordstrom. Oh. I believe Freight D is in there. Anyways, we are now head to the down escalator. No strollers. No strollers. That's the second floor entrance of the old Sears and Roebuck. Here's the H&M, which is currently closed due to the novel coronavirus. They have yet to redevelop this area ever since the Sears closed a couple years ago. And that's it.